Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unique Fashion. I am fine and I hope my all are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please yours you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet neck warmer ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different ideas, fabulous crocheting work. Some are light color uses, some are dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, most demanding collection, most wearing collection. Different variety, beautiful ideas. Some are simple and some are beautiful button-up style. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon, follow my channel. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Very nice. Beautiful ideas, different variety, different style. So beautiful ideas, cute and stylish. If you want to more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel. The logo is front of you. And good comment section. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Papa and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day and please pray for me.